In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webull Technical Indicators. By the end, you'll know how to open a chart, add indicators on both desktop and mobile, and customize them so they match your trading style. First, let's get a chart open. In Webull, search for the stock or crypto symbol you want to analyze. Type the symbol into the search bar, then select it from the results. This takes you to the symbols page. From there, open the chart view. Think of the chart as your canvas. Everything you add will layer on top of this, so getting here is your starting point every time. Now, let's add a technical indicator. On desktop with your chart open, look for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a dedicated button, an indicator icon, or an indicator gear icon in the toolbar. Click it to open the indicators list. You'll see popular choices like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. Select the indicator you want to apply, then click Done. Your chosen indicator will immediately appear on the chart, either overlaid on price or in a panel below, depending on the type. On mobile, the flow is similar. Open the chart for your selected symbol, then tap the indicator icon, which may appear as FX or a small graph symbol. This opens the indicator library. Choose the indicator you want, and it will appear on your chart right away. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll through the list or use the search within that menu. Next, let's customize the indicator so it reflects your preferences. Open the indicator's settings by clicking the gear icon next to its name. Here, you can adjust the period or length, like setting an RSI to 14, which controls how sensitive the indicator is to recent price changes. You can also choose the source price, such as close, open, high, or low, which tells the indicator which data point to use. Finally, set the color and line style to make your chart readable at a glance. Once your changes look right, click Apply or Done to save them. On mobile, the customization panel works the same way, and your changes update in real time. A quick tip: add only what you need. Too many indicators can clutter the chart and make signals harder to read. Start simple. Then refine with settings until the visuals and signals make sense for you. That's it. You've opened a chart, added indicators on desktop and mobile, and customized their settings for clearer, more informed analysis.